Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kilah here. You already know we're back. And today we're gonna do a little vlog, a little day with Kilah, just me. I know you guys just been wanting like videos just of me. Try and have videos like that more. I just took a shower, did my makeup, I just got done. We're just gonna do errands. I got a lot of things to do today. To be honest, I really don't have days like this. And you guys are gonna come along with me. Hope this shit's not boring.
Let me grab a rest. Hold up, trapping with no rest. Hold up, in and out special. So special. Bitch, I got a schedule. Keep myself together. I would never settle.
These are the shoes I'm wearing, and then just like the yellow sweatshirt. But this is me right now. I gotta put in gas before I go. I always, before I leave the house or anywhere I go,
yeah.
music.
Judge me how you judge me. Take them bitches out the trap.
Secure myself first.
Hey.
Please don't do this.
Give it up, 'cause you love the lifestyle. Told the girls to meet the time.
Oh my god! That's so embarrassing. That. Me putting my gas in.
For one, this is better news. Here's what we're looking. Don't be proud of me.
Look at, guys, look at my fucking twin. Look at my fucking twin. She is so beautiful. Look at her. Yeah. I'm gonna drive. It's like at least 15 to 20. Hey. Oh my god. I'll see you soon. Okay, drive safe. Bye. You're welcome.
Good manager, Chipotle.
What's up? That's my manager, I guess.
Again.
Again.
You want to log in back into your profile?
Yeah.
Where's that guy back here?
Say it again? What? That's what I did for my intro. I said, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kilah here. You already know.
What the fuck is that? Shut up. Is
Hey
it
guys,
recording? Me again. Oh my god, I look so fat.
What the?
Is it a mukbang challenge? Where's my straw?
My ID and my, oh shit.
Is that a real Louis bag?
Yeah. And my birth certificate.
Your hours. You said mornings, right?
Yeah. But I think I might have to get off at like before 3.
That's fine.
Okay.
Your social security number and your date of birth.
And your social security number?
Yeah, I know that.
Your debit card number? The 3 numbers?
My debit card
Your
number.
mother's maiden name.
Don't worry guys, I'll vlog a day here.
Did you miss the food?
I miss you guys.
You should have never left in the first place. Reggie man.
Why do you call Reggie man?
I don't know. This is just name.
Hey, guess who's here?
Snoop?
No, I wish. Jergen? Yeah.
Jergen is
God.
here. Right there.
The Jaguar. Record his reaction when he sees you. You like Drake's new album?
It's decent.
What about Kanye's album?
They both let me down, bro.
Which one's better?
That's hard.
Well, this determines if you get rehired or not.
You mean
So which one's better?
Determined. Kanye. Jergen.
What's up?
Let's go.
You messed this shit up.
Oh, bro. You're doing this shit under a minute. 30 seconds. Oh, you did that in 40 seconds.
This one. Wait, did you change the song? Are you on odds? This is the song you were just talking about. Yeah.
Wow, what a coincidence. I missed you guys. So I'm recording on my phone right now because I don't know what's wrong with my camera and like I can't turn it on. So I took my friend to her nail appointment, but I couldn't go in because you know like how people is. So I accept, you know, like I really don't care if I don't go in or not. But I'm just here waiting in the car. It's been about like 30 minutes or so, so I feel like she'll be done soon. But I'm really just chilling, to be honest. Like I do not care. I'm just chilling in the whip. I don't know what I'm gonna do after, but I know for a fact that I'm gonna go home probably after this. We'll see what we're gonna do. And then after that, later on, I'm probably gonna go out, so we'll see. I'm at a car meet. This is my car's over there, but I like that BRZ over there.
Video. I'm being it. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. This is car meet in Blaine, Minnesota, and we're looking at cars right now.
Yeah. Do you actually want to be in the vlog? Like,
I make vlogs.
Huh?
I make vlogs.
You do?
Yeah, it's for our brand.
What?
It's for our brand.
A brand?
Yeah.
What kind of brand?
Yeah, that's what your ass get. That's what you get.
It's called.
Your friend's car got that?
Yeah, I had the exact same.
Dang, who put that on there?
Damn.
What?
Is that other kid?
Hey guys, so I didn't vlog for the rest of the night because I totally forgot. But I'm with Gigi. Go focus, follow her. She got drip.
We got drip.
We got drip.
Follow us.
Literally follow us. My Instagram, her Instagram. Period. And we're at McDonald's right now.
Because we're so fucking fat.
What time? What is it?
3, guys. Literally fucking 3.
It is 3:18 right now.
And we at McDonald's.
We at McDonald's. We're gonna park up and eat.
We gotta make sure our order is right because.
You guys have chicken chicken?
Yes.
Oh, wait.
Oh, this girl. Sorry.
I literally thought I beat already. I'm like, yes. I was literally sitting down here like a fucking dumbass waiting for my food without paying it. Hey, you with the infinity. I don't know why she doesn't have a phone. Is that Eric?
We're about to eat.
Smacking some fries.
You vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. You wanna say hi? We got fries up in
We got fries. We got chicken nuggets.
Can I actually have one of the fries?
Yes, girl.
Okay.
You guys wanna know we met? We met at I'm like me not knowing. But Kenzie's party.
Kenzie's party, really?
That's when we officially started talking.
Like I knew her off like Facebook and Instagram. That's how I met her. And then like I just kept seeing her at other functions.
For real.
Literally.
Now we're trying to hang out like outside of functions. Like actually do something.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh god, I'm just done.
You're not done. You got something here. What is it? Onion?
Onion? I think so.
Bread?
Bread, I don't know.
I got you.
She got me, man.
Oh, where's mine?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, oh yeah, it's here. I was under your.
Hold on, let me check my legs.
Hold on, it's under your thigh. 3:30 a.m. vibes.
We dead out here.
We did.
Oh my gosh, did I lose my straw again?
Oh gosh, so. She got me the first time. I got her the second time.
Literally. Ride or die. Wow. I dropped the straw.
The little piece.
No, literally the straw.
Girl.
I got it.
It's a little.
My stomach hurt. My stomach hurt.
You know that video? Your cool nails. Oh wait, like this? Like 2?
Wait, like this?
Yeah.
Oh, her. The yin yang. Oh my king.
Guys, we're gonna go see Playboy Cardi. Like, we have to go see him. Like, bro, gotta. That's a must, man. Her birthday is on it's like a week before the concert, after the concert. Really? So I'm excited. Yeah, I fucking love her, man. Like, her vibes are so nice. Like,
Bro, your whole vibe. What? I'm gonna insert some pictures of Gigi because look how beautiful she is. Boom, 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 boom. You know, boom. McDonald's is bad. It's not healthy, but this shit hits.
This shit hits. I'm like, this shit hits.
She said this shit hits.
It's more like we eat McDonald's every day, dude. Me eats McDonald's every day. We lied.
You know how to do this TikTok?
It's like, I'm like, what the?
Okay, so we're gonna end the video right here. I hope you guys like the video. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, comment some video ideas, you know, for me to do, and I'll do it for you guys.
You know, she got you all.
Oh god,
You know,
let
she
me
got
know.
you all with some content.
Definitely see Gigi more on my channel, cause she. We're gonna go. We're gonna eat. I love you guys. Bye.
Hold up, trapping with no rest. Hold up, in and out special. Bitch, I got a schedule. Get myself together. I would never settle.